Alrighty, Adolph, here's your 347 small block Ford. Your description is combination. It's got a set of our SCAT heads, Edelbrock manifold. It's got the Brawler Carb MSD distributor, custom ground hydraulic roller with the front sub oil pan. It's got a SCAT crank and eagle rods in it, and our custom DSS Pistons. Let her make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,500, 422 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 432, peak horsepower 436, rated at 425, so everything's good. We'll pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, show you a couple of things. Receive your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It's full of technical information. Highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine numbers and our specs. Anything from us, that engine number is way for us to look you up. Flip it over. It's got a QR code that will take you some more tech stuff. So have a great day.